So I see a lot of people recommend the ZZ plants to beginners. They're very boring, they're always green, everybody's got them. So let me introduce you to the Philodendron Billietiea. The best things for me about these plants is they seem to be able to handle many of the environments I put them in. My room, for instance, was not getting a lot of sunlight, and it was very humid throughout the day. But when I had the AC on, the temperature would always kind of drop and the air would get very dry. These things have withstood that abuse. Another big thing about them is they absolutely love being in dried out soil. And when you do water them like a flash flooded desert plant. If you like to water your plants a lot, they are just fine with frequently moist soil as well. I keep mine in a clay pot here as a great example because clay pots are known to suck all the moisture out of the soil, and this helps prevent root rot. We have the opposite here, where you'll have these plastic pots that can retain a lot of the soil moisture, and as you can see, both have fared very, very well. Now, I will say this, another good thing about them is if you want them to have a lot of sunlight, they can take it. In fact, come here, cameraman. If you zoom in on these green stems here, they have a version of these where the back of the leaves are purple. That's a hybrid, and so you're gonna get the green stems. But with these aren't receiving a lot of sunlight, and so they are turning green. So I'm actually gonna move these to the front of my house. But these are how they're supposed to look. Zoom in on this, cameraman. Yep. All right, awesome. My cameraman's name is Jamal. He's 6 feet tall and very dark skinned. Exactly. I'm missing a few plants. I guess that's why they're gone. But these are these are very, very good plants to have if you want something that's like a ZZ, very easy to care for, very set it and forget it. If you like to water a lot, water a little bit, water them very little but often, and if you don't like water them a lot, like me, you can put them in a clay pot and they survive just fine. I will literally put these under the shower head and drench them in water. They love humidity, so you can spray the leaves. These are really some plants that you can have and kind of really test out your beginner gardener skills. And even if you're not a beginner but want low maintenance, I don't even remember the last time I freaking watered these, to be honest with you, Chief. So I should probably go and do that. These are gonna go right outside in the front. God, these are so beautiful.